So this just arrived today from Amazon. We're going to be opening it and doing a quick little unboxing. So first step, flip it over and we're going to have to cut these little seals. And this is a really cool little knife I found on Amazon. It's for your keychain. It was only $9. Okay, let's see what this looks like. So obviously it's an empty box. Comes with a little white box, fairly heavy, probably some hardware in there. And then we're going to get our actual scope out. This was a fairly budget scope, less than $30. It's packed pretty well. Let's see. Trying to do this one-handed so I can hold the camera. I didn't bring my tripod here today. Okay. So what do we got? We got a little cleaning cloth, a little bit of instructions, favorite silica powder. So this one should be illuminated, so it does come with a battery. Ooh, great, it's a CR2032. Those batteries are very inexpensive. If you're ever interested, you can actually get a 10-pack, or is it an 8-pack, of those batteries at IKEA for just $1.99. That's pretty neat. Alright, so let's get a little first impression view. So it does have a cover here. I was afraid that it didn't come with one. Oh yeah, I bought the more expensive one. So, nice little cover there. The other side has a very similar looking cover. Some might say it's identical. So, okay, here's the model number. 3-9x40 EG. So I don't want to assume anything here. I've never actually owned one of these before. So I made the mistake is it doesn't seem to come with any mounting hardware. I'm going to have to buy some of that now. On the pictures it had mounting hardware. Well, obviously that's where it would go. Wait. There's the mounting hardware. Sneaky little people. There we go. Well, we did the unboxing. I don't really know if I can do much more one-handed. So here we go. Plastic Ziploc bag loves to hold onto the metal. So obviously we're going to take these and we're going to put them over here and there. And then we're going to attach these to the rail right here on the firearm. So that's pretty straightforward. I don't think you need to see me doing that in the video. One thing I will show you is we have the battery, so let's open the battery pack and we'll install it and see what it looks like. Obviously we know what the battery looks like. So where does it go? I'm guessing it goes right here. Oh, that was a good guess, wasn't it? Okay, put it right back right in there. I'm also guessing that that's going to be the positive there. Oh, that's kind of a cool little bridge they do. Electricity goes up in there and around to the middle. Maybe I should read to make sure. Yeah, it looks like that's going to be the negative and this is the positive. Okay. This is difficult with one hand. I got it. Okay, so now that we have the battery in, let's open the tube. So as you can see through the camera lens, there's a cross, trying to get it to be level here. So these things are a little bit disconcerting because they're not exactly level. So let me see what this does. Ooh, the green light's on. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's look through this. Let me turn the lights off real quick. Not all of them, but some. So now we're going to look through. Trying to line up the camera. So there's the actual scope. So let's go target our globe on next to the light bulb up there. Let me get it with my eye first. Okay, here we go. So, anyway, it's definitely not in focus yet. I'm going to have to play with that quite a bit. But you get the general idea. It definitely magnifies. We don't have to have a beach scene up here on the wall. Well, I'm not going to be able to see much until I adjust it with two hands to get the magnification. So we're going to go back over here and we'll try red. Anyway. So as I keep turning, it gets brighter and brighter. Looks like that's the brightness setting we want. Trying to zoom in on this. Anyway. So it's the same grid. This time it's red. If you don't have your battery and the battery does lose power, you still get a black grid, which is also great for daytime use. Alright. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that. Let me show you the box again. Rifle scope. Wide field of view. Same thing on that side. Here you go. If you want the item number. So up there at the top, all you gotta do is type that into Amazon. X001B1VHRN. Type that into Amazon and you can buy this. It's really a good deal at well under $30. Anyway, have a great day and thanks for watching.